Danny, and hello, my name is Danny, and I'm showing a bad guy from bad cop. It works at places in the school, my book fair, and it works for bad cop at a police station.
What movie?
And it's from the movie
What's the name?
movie with Vitruvius and Emmett and bad cop and Vitruvius and Wild Style and Lord Business, and Batman and Superman. And now I'm going to put it together for you.
Where else?
Looks like when he wears hat and gun. I got it for him to kill. Well, it's from Superman and pretend he's a bad guy. We will kill everything. Beep boop, beep boop, beep boop. Bye. Boop, 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 beep boop, beep boop. He's doing the splits. Everything is awesome. Everything is cool. And we'll see another video of me open 2 packages of minifigs from 2 minifigs, and for me I opened like these. Well, it's a wrestler and well, you want to see that video tomorrow? Okay, you can see it. Bye.